Hi beauties, it's Violetta and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you 5 steps on how to create a perfect capsule wardrobe. The one that you will enjoy for many years and will have a new outfit to wear every day. First things first, what is capsule wardrobe? For me, it means a structured wardrobe that really helps avoiding unnecessary purchases and maximizing the use of every item in the closet. It's a way to create a more inspiring wardrobe and a more lasting one. A wardrobe that you want to wear over and over again. Items in a well-structured capsule wardrobe are never go off style. It's a timeless, sustainable fashion choice for me. Now let's learn secrets on how to create a perfect capsule wardrobe. The first step of creating a successful capsule wardrobe, and it's the big one. Accept your style, your lifestyle, and yourself. Shop for your current self and for your current size. As for me, I love casual, relaxed looks with some classic elements. My rule number 1 is comfort, so no high heels, no restrictive clothes. I prefer basic, effortless looks. Even though I absolutely love seeing other girls in the very dressy, feminine, classic looks, I am honest with myself. I know I won't feel good wearing high heels, dressy pants, pleated skirts, dressy blouses, and the list goes on. I used to force myself to dress more, but it only made me feel less confident about myself. After years of experimenting, I've learned that being comfortable makes me confident. I will always go for a tracksuit with sneakers and a coat, or a pair of denim with some combat boots and tucked-in sweater. Trust me, I will rock the look simply because it's 100% me. Another important rule is to accept your current size. It's very unfortunate that most of us shop for our imaginary future, usually skinnier self, and treat our current self as a temporary state of us that doesn't deserve a good pair of jeans. Do you agree? It doesn't really sound confident. Step number 2 is to assess your current wardrobe and declutter. See what you have and think what you wear the most. Do you gravitate more to feminine looks or you like relaxed fits? Go through all items in your closet and only keep your favorites. Declutter items that you barely wear, that are wrong sizes, the ones that don't make you feel 100% best self. You need to make room in your closet for new items to create a wardrobe that will inspire you and will bring joy to you. If you're not sure about the item, just put it in a box and see if you use it in the next 6 months. If not, donate or sell and feel good about it. Cluttered wardrobe means cluttered mind. You need the wardrobe that will inspire you to look better every day. Step number 3, look for inspiration and research what you think is stylish. Try to notice what exactly grabs your attention. If you're still not sure what you like or what you need, see what other people wear. Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok are great for getting inspiration. You need to train your eye to see beauty and to understand your taste in fashion. It comes with practice as anything else. Invest a little bit of your time on creating a mood board or making pins on Pinterest of your favorite looks to save money on purchases you don't know how to style afterwards. Trust me when I say, a well-structured wardrobe is so much less stress on a daily basis. Okay, now you know what you like and how you want to look. Let's move to step number 4. It's time to make a list of what you need to buy to complete your current wardrobe. I suggest shopping for essentials first, like a good pair of denim, black turtleneck or black crewneck, camel cardigan or beige sweater, a white t-shirt or white shirt, black shoes or white sneakers. It depends on your preferences, but most of the time core items are usually the same no matter what style you choose. Will it be a white button-down or a silk blouse? Is your choice, but you will need some sort of a white shirt. Always think about versatility. Choose items that can be styled in many ways. For example, these two sweaters. At first glance, they're very similar, but a black sweater is more versatile because of the cut and the fit. I can wear it loose or tucked in, by itself or on top of shirts and t-shirts. And it goes with all bottoms. Versus the brown sweater that has fewer options to style. I can wear it tucked in or loose, but that's pretty much it. Make sure to check off the boxes of core items section first, before moving into fun seasonal items. The last step, and the most fun, is shopping. Be very strict though, and only buy items you're 100% sure about. When in doubt, do not buy. Another trick I use is Photoshop. Since I'm a visual person, I like to Photoshop new items in my current wardrobe. I use Canva or Photoshop to create all possible outfits before I commit to a purchase. In this way, I see what I miss and if an item I want to buy makes sense to add to my current capsule wardrobe. I hope my tips and tricks helped you, and now you're ready to build the perfect wardrobe that you're going to love for many years. That's it for today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.